Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to send customer processing order email notification for on hold WooCommerce order in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page. Now select direct bank transfer. So order status for direct bank transfer is on hold, but we are going to send processing order email to customer. So we select direct bank transfer. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code, and then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title. Then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see email order processing status for on hold. So we are going to send processing order email notification to on hold order status. So scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, no active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page again and refresh the page. Now select direct bank transfer, enable this option, and then click on place order. Now you see order received. Go to order section. So first we are going to check order status for this. Now refresh the page. So this is a new order. Now you see order status on hold. Now go to Gmail to check, and then you see this is the email 0 minute ago. Thank you for your order. So this email received by customer. Just to let you know, we have received your order and it is now being processed. Now you see order status we have on hold, but we send customer processing order email. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.